starting from C, we can now hold the clarinet differently to play some more notes. Instead of holding it up here, this hand is going to rest its thumb on the thumb rest on the back side of the clarinet. Yours might look like this. You can get a cool little pad if your thumb starts to hurt. And from there, allow your fingers to gently curve to cover each of the open holes and have a pinky free for these keys, which we'll call pinky keys. Now from C, which to remind you is thumb 1, 2, 3, we can add the first finger on the next hand to create the note B flat. And then the next finger goes down and becomes A. The next finger goes down and becomes G. And with your pinky, if you can find this key, that's the key on the top two, further away from the pinky, and press it down, it turns the note F. So to review, it's C, B flat, A, G, F. If you have difficulty getting the notes out at first, that's normal. Be sure of two things. One, that your embouchure is exactly the same as it is when it's here. The corners of the lips are in, the upper lip comes down, the lower lip comes up, and the air is fast and cool coming out. The angle is not perpendicular, not parallel, but somewhere in between. No. And lastly, it's important that your fingers can cover the holes entirely. Look what happens if I try and play A, but leave a little of the hole uncovered. I get weird sounds. And if you uncover it just a little bit in the wrong way, you can get a squeak. So as long as your embouchure and air are the same as they've always been, and your fingers cover the holes entirely, the notes have the best chance of coming out. And if they still don't, have patience and keep practicing.